Hi aspirants, this is Varun Kumar. Today we are going to learn about number system like divisibility. The first part is divisibility and we will go on to the part. Okay, in divisibility what we are going to learn is from 1 to 12. From 1 to 12 we will learn the number which is divisible by 1 to 12, all the numbers. Okay. Now I hope you watch the video, like and subscribe it. Now let's start the video. Today we will learn the divisibility, like divisibility. The number which divides from the 2 to 21. I will say the rules of these numbers and we will start. For example, 246 is divisible by 2. How? Of course, we know for small number we can easily understand it is divisible by 2. But for big numbers like the big numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it divisible by 6? How can you know it is divisible by 2? 2. So for the rule of 2 is, the rule of 2 number is the last digit should be even number like 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, if the last digit is even number, yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay, I hope you understand the rule of 2. Now let's move to the 3. The next number is 3. Here we will understand how we can find out that a number which is divisible by 3. Okay, for how to find out is you should add the sum, like 1, 2, 3 is a number, it is given, so we should add the whole number. 1 plus 2 plus 3. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 3 6, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. So here is we are getting 6. Is it divisible by 3? Of course yes. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So we can say 123 is divisible by 3. Now let us see the bigger number. Let us add this all. 1 plus 2 3 6 10 15 21. Okay, now 21. Now 21 is this divisible by 3? Of course yes. 3 1s are 3 7s are. Or we have another trick. For example, if you add this number, you will get 21. Add this number. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Of course, 3 is divisible by 3, of course. So the rule of 3 is you have to add the whole number. Okay, this is rule of 3. Now let's move to the rule of 4. The next number is 4. Here 4 is nothing but the last 2 digit of the number. If they ask if this number is divisible by 4, you have to see the one thing is the last two numbers should be divisible by 4. Here 16 is divisible by 4. Yeah, of course yes. 4 1s are 4 4s are. Even here, if this two number is divisible by 4, 4 1s are 4 3s are. Okay, if these two number is divisible by 4, hence the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, this is the rule of 4. You can buy it, or I will give you the PDF of this in the description. So go to the description. The next number is 5. 5 is very easy. It should be divisible by 5 or 0. Okay, if someone asks it is divisible by 5, you must see if the last digit is 0 or else 5. If there is in 0 or 5, if there is in these two number, so hence the number can be divided by 5. So this is the rule of 5. Now let's move to the rule of 6. See, the next number is 6. In 6, the rule is divide by 2 or 3. If someone asks the question if the number is divisible by 6, you must see if it's divisible by 2 or 3. If it's divisible by 2 or 3, of course it can be divisible by 6. For example, 72 can be divided by 2 and 3. 2 will be 36, 3 will be 24. The same wise, these number can be divided by 2, these number can be divided by 2, these all number can be divided by 2 and 3. So hence, if the number divided by 2 and 3 in the same number, so the rule of 6 is if this number divides, so it will be match the criteria. Now let's move to the next is 7. The rule of 7 is very complicated. I will explain it in an easy way. It is, now let's read this, double the last digit and minus from the rest. here, for example, if this is a number, we have to find out that if this number can be divided by 7. Okay, what we have to do is take this last digit, and double it. It will be right 6. Now minus from this 20 raised by 20 minus 6. If 20 minus 6 is 14, you know that 14 is divisible by 7. So hence the 203 will be divisible by 7. Now let's move to the bigger number. Let's take the last digit is 1. 1 into 2, which is 2. Now let us minus from this number. 203 3 minus 1, 230 2. Okay, yeah, if it is divisible by 7. 203 is divisible by 7, right? Of course 203 is divisible by 7. So hence even this also matches the criteria, and this also divides by 7. Okay, now let's move to the 8th numbers. See the rule of 8. In rule of 8, what we are going to see is, here we have given a number which is 4512 and 61000. Here the rule is the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Let us see last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So I think it is divisible by 5 and 8. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8 is 512. So it's a cube root of 8. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8 it is. So I can say hence it is divisible by 8. Now let us see this last 3 digits is 0. So 0 can be divided by anything. So even this is also matches. So the rule of 8 matches. So even 616000 is also divisible by 8. You can take a calculator and take it. The next is 9. So here the rule is add the sum. Okay, let us add the sum. 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So here if any number which we get after the sum, for example if we got 18, if it's divisible by 9, of course it is divisible by 9. So hence even it is divisible by 9. Now let us move the bigger number. Let us add this number. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. So is it divisible of 9? Of course yes. 9 ones are 9, 4s are. So here we can say 567 is also divisible. These also are divisible. So this is the technique to learn the divisibility of 9. Now let's move to the 10. Next, the rule of level. Rule of level is very complicated. So let us understand with an example, or I will explain it in easy way. Here we have written is odd and even sum difference. For example, it's an odd number, like not an exact odd number. If there is any 4 number, 1 2 3 4, we should take it as odd even. Okay, understand? We should take it as odd even. Okay, now let's take it as odd even odd. Okay, we should add even odd one side, add odd one side, add even one side. This is odd, this is odd, this is even. Okay, let us add odd. Odd is level, even is 0. So we got level. So level is divisible, right? So level is divisible. Okay, now let us see this. Odd, 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 even, even, even. Now let us add odd. 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 18. Okay, now let us add even. 0 plus 1 plus 6. 0 plus 1 plus 6 is 6 plus 7, 7. So 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is level. Hence it is divisible by 11. I don't mean that the answer should be exact level. Answer should be multiple of level. For example, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 99, like 99, 88. If this answer come which is divisible by 11, so answer will be correct. Okay. Now let's move to the 12th one. The rule of 12 is very simple. The rule of 12 is the number should be divisible by 4 or 6. 4 and 6. If the number is divisible by 4 and 6, hence the number will be divided by 12. Even this can be divided by 12. Even this can be divided by 12. The one thing we have to remember is it should be divisible by 4 and 6. I hope you can understand. So